Good morning. Good morning. Grateful for another beautiful day. I'm so happy to be here. And just being able to breathe and, just being able to trade. Let's look at the chart. 1 hour. All right. So yesterday I said that I was bearish, popped up into this imbalance, came down, and I said that my point of interest was this daily fair value gap with this sell side liquidity, right? So if we go to the daily chart, this is exactly what I showed y'all yesterday, okay? And I said that this is my point of interest, and I believe price will target that. Now that it did, and price had displaced up with the news at 8:30, I believe we will be heading higher, right? But I'm not sure yet because when I look at the daily candle, if I take the fib from this leg, from the bottom of this leg to the top of this leg, we are still in a premium. So we could have a short-term bounce and then come back down into this volume imbalance where the 50 fib is and coming and dig deeper into optimal trade entry. We could, right? It's not a guarantee, but it's something that I'm watching out for. Okay, so I don't want to go ahead and say, okay, yeah, it consolidated, manipulated, and displaced up for a change in the state of delivery and price, which it very much could be, but I'm still gonna be waiting. Now there's this 1 hour fair value gap that price is holding at the moment, so I'm gonna be watching out for that. This AM session, I'm not sure where we're going to be headed because it took out my area of interest, previous day's lows, took out this low here for sell side liquidity and popped up into this internal range liquidity, right? So what price could do now, it could very much take out all of this engineered liquidity here, all of this here, right? It could very much do that. But um will it happen today? I don't know. I am gonna just kind of chill out for a little bit. We are paper trading, but I think the ultimate target for me is going to be taking out this liquidity right here at 787. So I am going to be looking for longs into that area, but I will need some sort of confirmation in this bounce. Okay. So if price digs into this fair value gap and I see it hold, then I'm going to go long. All right. So right now, price had come into this imbalance that I mentioned, this 5 minute imbalance right here. So I am going to be waiting to see how price reacts off of that. All right, y'all. That was a little bit stressful. You saw me get stopped out of this trade and then this long over here. Um, but overall, it was okay. Not too bad. Let's look at the executions. I did take 3 trades total. All right, so this is the stop out right here. I sold one here, stopped out here as y'all saw in the video. I bought one here, got stopped out here, and I sold here, okay? And then I finally took profits here. So when I sold, you're gonna see why I sold there on the 15-second chart. I sold here on this candle because I saw that price wicked up into this imbalance and price failed to go up higher. So that's why I sold here. I entered here and then I took price down um, to these equal lows right here. I initially thought that price was going to head back up and I was going to close out my position, but I'm glad I didn't because I saw this order block and I thought that price was going to head down lower after I took that at lows. So yeah, overall not too bad. I think let's look at the spreadsheet real quick. So if I look at the spreadsheet, we did 34, 15, 62. All right, so today we had a net return of 111.96, took a total of 3 trades. All right, so I took 2 losses, 1 win, net return of $111.96. That brings my portfolio up to 314 34, 15, 62. All right, so I took 2 losses, 1 win. This is the equity curve right now. Not too bad. So in 2 days, I was able to do about $900. For Top Step, 5 winning days of over $200 in profit, I'm able to cash out, right? So let's see if we can actually do $200 more or another $100 more. So I'm actually going to take a short position there. I'm going to take profits here. Done. All right, so that was a good scalp here. The reason why I scalped there is because on the lower time frame, I saw that price balanced this inefficiency right here, and price was starting to head down, and this was just a quick scalp. All right, so let's just recalculate our P&L real quick. 36, 67, 94. All right, so today we're gonna end the day with $364.28 in profit. We are in the running for a payout if we have another 3 days of $200 or more. Now I'm paper trading, right? So I'm simulating a Top Step funded account at the moment. So today I'm ending the day with 2 losses and 2 wins, 4 trades total. You all saw the 2 losses and you all saw the 2 wins. The last trade was a scalp. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but this price action was too juicy for me. I knew that this imbalance is going to hold, and I took that risk to short, and I was able to make another $200 in quick profits. I am going to stop trading for today. Please like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Join me on my journey to 100K. I don't think I'm going to be making 100K this year. Maybe. Who knows? Things could change, but this is my paper trading account. Those of y'all that are tuning in for the first time, what I am doing is I'm trying to reset my mind and my trading psychology so that I can be a better consistent trader. I've been blowing accounts left and right, so I've gone back to a paper trading account, and I'm trying to grow this and simulate a Top Step funded account so that I can track the amount of trades that I take and also track where I am. I basically want to see if I can stay consistent for a payout on a Top Step account, right? So this is going to be a new series for now, right? If you look at the channel, there's going to be 3 series: day trading futures to 100K, funded, eval, and this is going to be the paper trade using ICT 2022. Subscribe to join me on my journey, and I'll catch y'all next week.